Hey, it's Jonathan with Mobility Lift Aids. In front of me is a 2025 RAM Promaster with a Tempest conversion. Now installed here on the right side is a Braunability UVL, and we'll show you the operation of that. So currently installed on this vehicle is a manual sliding door. Let us know, we can make this powered for you. Now you do have a pendant inside that is wired, and we also have our wireless pendant right here. So first what we're going to do is we're going to hit the down button, and that'll send a signal to it to bring the ramp out and down. And once the user is on, we can go ahead and hit the up button here on the upper left. That'll retract this flap here, and the lift will begin to come up. Now stowing the lift is just as easy as hitting another button. We're going to go ahead and hit stow. That'll bring the lift down to its stow height, calibrate just a bit, and then come inside. Perfect. All right, so this is a Tempest conversion. So what we have is a 3-seater power bench here in the back. Take a look inside at that. Beautiful leather bench. We do have our power controls right here on the wall panel. So we're going to go ahead and hit down. And that'll bring our bench flat. We have cup holders here. You do have blinds all around the vehicle on all the windows. And we do have underlighting here underneath the blinds as well. We have USB ports here in the back, little cargo netting, and a nice feature of this one as well is you do get a bit of a sunroof here in the back. So that is also closed by a blind. You do have surround speakers, and we do have rear AC here. Go ahead and bring the bench back up. Now, an important part I do want to note, this vehicle comes with a plain floor. All we have to do to get this wheelchair ready is to add pockets wherever you would like around the floor. So we usually keep it like that, just so when it comes in, it's going to be tailored very custom to you. Some people will add a transfer seat here on the driver's side. Some people will add a transfer seat on the passenger side. That will make a difference where they want to place their wheelchair in the car. If they ride in the chair or if they use an easy lock, where we can put that easy lock at. So it's going to be tailored 100% for your needs. Just let us know and we can definitely make that happen. All right, go ahead and close this door here. And we'll do our walk around. Take a look at these wheels here. And one thing to note, this vehicle is a brand new chassis, so whenever you take delivery of it and it gets titled, a warranty will restart at the date that you take delivery or that you sign. Power front windows, power mirrors. This first knob here is going to be our knob for the lighting in the back. Go ahead and turn it off there. That first knob on the left is going to be the lighting for the back lights. The ones that are on the sides of the blinds have an electronic parking brake. And we have our rear climate control here. We use a twin air system. It works very, very well. Show you a bit inside here. This Promaster is actually pretty loaded out. We'll do something, we'll turn off the parking brake. And I do want to show you that this has a 360 camera. You have a few park assist options here on the bottom. A few cruise control options here on the steering wheel. And our phone functionality buttons as well. Have a programmable mirror for your garage door. And we have our SOS buttons here up top. Want to show you how these seats get rewrapped. So it is a matched interior. So you have our Tempest logo here on the seat. And matching the back seat color. If you have any questions on this vehicle, let us know. We do ship all around the US, and this is an absolutely beautiful vehicle. Let us know if we need to add any features for you. Transfer seat, easy lock, hand controls. It can all be done. I'll show you again the interior here. And I'll also show you on the passenger side. Let us know how we can make this van yours. Reach us online at texaswheelchairvan.com. You can also call us anytime. Call or text 713-939-9922. Always happy to help. Thank you.